Give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good. Give thanks unto the God of gods. Give thanks unto the Lord, for his mercy endureth forever. To him who alone doeth great wonders, to him that by his wisdom made heaven, to him that stretcheth out the earth above the waters. To him that made great lights, the sun to rule by the moon and stars to rule, for his mercy endureth forever. An heritage unto Israel, his servant, who remembered us in our low estate, and hath redeemed us from enemies. His mercy endureth forever. Who giveth food to all flesh, for his mercy endureth forever. Give thanks unto the Lord, for his mercy endureth